Hello, my name is Jason Lahada, and welcome to the FAL Crypto Minute, your number one source for educational crypto content in under around 10 minutes. Today's Wednesday, September 21st, 2022, and on today's show, we'll be going over the top 10 cryptos for the day, as well as Ripple files for dismissal of upcoming suit, and FTX and Binance lead bids to purchase Voyagers Assets. All that and more on today's episode of the FAL Crypto Minute. But before we go into anything else, let's go over these top 10 cryptos for the day. And at number 1, we have Bitcoin at $18,527, down 2.17%. At number 2, we have Ethereum at $1,241, down 6.55%. At number 3, we have Tether. At number 4 is USDC. At number 5 is BNB at $264, down 1.25%. At number 6 is Binance USD. At number 7 is XRP at 39 cents, down 3.41%. At number 8 is Cardano at 43 cents, down 1.02%. At number 9 we have Solana at $30, down 2.98%. And at number 10 is Dogecoin at 57 cents, down 2.95%. And that was your top 10 cryptos for September 21st. Moving into our first story, Ripple files for dismissal of upcoming suit. Ripple has filed a motion seeking dismissal of the suit ahead of the trial in federal court in Manhattan. The blockchain firm contended that the crypto asset at the center of the ongoing legal battle, XRP, could not be considered a security. In recent filings over the weekend, Ripple argued that there was no investment contract that granted investors rights or required the issuer to act in their interests. As per the report, Ripple further alleged that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, unearthed positions could deem the sale of all types of ordinary assets, including diamonds, gold, soybeans, cars, and art, into the sale of securities. Ripple added that Congress did not grant the agency such authority. In the filing, the San Francisco-based firm mentioned that the SEC's claim would fail and cited the lack of documents granting post-sale rights to recipients as against Ripple or impose post-sale obligations on the firms to act on the benefit of those recipients. In a statement, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alatorre said the filings show that the SEC is acting outside their legal limits. The SEC is not looking to apply the law, they're looking to remake it, hoping it can impermissibly expand their jurisdiction. The SEC sued Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chairman Chris Larsen in December of 2020. The agency alleged that all the above entities connected to Ripple secured more than $1.3 billion by selling XRP in on-a-registered security transactions. The watchdog stayed firm in its stance and said that Ripple funded its business by touting XRP's profit potential, selling and distributing XRP to public investors while keeping a large amount of XRP for itself. On the other hand, the blockchain firm has continued to maintain that the sales of the crypto asset and trading did not satisfy the Howey test, a U.S. Supreme Court case for establishing if a transaction qualifies as a security. Ripple Labs and the SEC have filed separate motions calling in the U.S. District Court of Southern District of New York to make an immediate ruling on whether the XRP sales violated the country's security laws. Moving into our next story, FTX and Binance lead bids to purchase Voyagers Assets. Prominent crypto exchanges, FTX and Binance, are reportedly the top bidders in the battle for defunct crypto lending firm Voyager Digital Assets, with each having bid around $50 million. According to a Tuesday report released by the Washington Journal, Binance's bid is slightly higher than FTX's, though it should be noted that no offer has been accepted at this time. Voyagers began selling off its asset at the beginning of this month after a tumultuous year that saw the company file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy when it was determined it could not pay back its outstanding debts of $10 billion. Other bidders reportedly included trading platform Crosstower and digital asset manager Wave Financial. The auction for the New York-based firm began on September 13th. Voyager is one of the biggest victims to go out of business amid the mid-year market crash. The corporation became defunct shortly after one of its biggest debtors, the Singapore-based crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital, filed for bankruptcy in July, leaving all of its customers' funds at risk. 3AC owed Voyager more than $650 million in Bitcoin and stablecoin USDC. One of Voyager's other borrowers was crypto trading firm Alameda Research, which was founded by the owner of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. Alameda owed Voyager about $377 million worth of cryptocurrencies just before it filed for bankruptcy. Alameda extended 2 credit lines to Voyager, one for $200 million in cash and a second for 15,000 Bitcoin. When Voyager filed for bankruptcy, Alameda was its largest creditor with an untouched $75 million loan. Earlier this week, Alameda agreed to pay $200 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum in exchange for $160 million in collateral Voyager had been holding. Soon after Voyager announced its bankruptcy, FTX stepped in to say that it would have saved the crypto lender, though Voyager dismissed the proposal, calling it a lowball bid dressed as a white knight rescue. And that was your FAL Crypto Minute for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. You can follow me on Twitter over at crypto_Lajara. That's crypto_LAJARA. You can follow the official FAL Crypto Consultants Twitter over at CryptoFAL. FAL is a one-stop shop for all your cryptocurrency needs, from answering questions for new people to bigger institutional clients. We're there for you. Regardless if you're a small business or a bank, we'll be sure to take a tailored approach to all your needs. Our team houses specialists in all areas of cryptocurrency, from mining, trading, creating NFTs, DAOs, staking, lending questions, and general market research. Go to cryptofal.com to learn more. Once again, my name is Jason Lada, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.